Sneezing is dangerous while you're driving. Anyway, I just got Monster. I'm actually going to Champs to buy pre-workout.
Stop making a fool of me.
Ooh, tricep. We're finally here. Yes, yes. I never knew that there was something called C4 Ripped. Supposedly, what it has is just some extra ingredients to help burn fat. I just took this because it's so cute. I'm lonely.
I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody for my own.
As tempted as I am to try that shit, I'm not gonna do it because I already took Monster. I don't want my heart to explode and pop out of my fucking chest, you know, unless it gives me more gains. I'm like a straight up fiend with all of these caffeine products in my car. Like, you know, like the homie don't get sleep. I get no street. I get no sleep.
I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it.
I want to show you my deadlifts because I have progressed and I'm fucking proud. And I took pre-workout. That rip shit I took makes my lips red. It's a reaction. I don't know what it is. People probably think I use lipstick when it doesn't hurt nobody.
Oh, angels sent from above. You know you make my world light up. When I was down, when I was hurt, you came to lift me up. Life is a drink and love's a drug. Oh, now I think I must be miles up. When I was a river, tried
you want nice legs, nice ass, do the walking lunges, what I just did. They're really, really good. When you're gonna do the walking lunges, you have to make sure you have good stabilizer muscles. If you don't use weight, just do it with body weight. Because as you saw, my legs were giving out. Not because I can't do them, but I'm already fatigued from the deadlifts. So just make sure when you do them, you stabilize yourself and you are in control the entire time. By the way, I'm not recording all the exercises. Another tip is your rest should be no longer than a minute. You want to make sure you get anywhere from 10 to 20 reps for each leg, whether that's with weight or body weight. The goal is 10 to 20. 8 being the least, 25 being the most. After that, you can start adding on weight or making it more difficult. First of all, let me just say, I feel like I sneeze again. No, I'm driving. I did not have a good leg workout. Too many little things were happening that were messing with me mentally. The freaking bar that I decided to use, one, it didn't really have good grip, even though I was using chalk. Two, the weight was falling off because the clamp wasn't holding it tight enough. So that shit was fucking with me mentally. So I had to really try to prepare myself. Damn, he's about to eat the side of my mirror. Yeah.